Hey crew, today's video will be baked macaroni and cheese. And here are the ingredients we'll be using. We're going to use chili powder, black pepper, salt, elbow noodles, all-purpose flour, butter, mild cheddar cheese, whole milk, Kobe Jack cheese, sharp cheddar, mild cheddar, and triple cheddar. And if you're new to the channel and you've seen this, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell, set post notifications to all. That way you're notified when I upload a video. Like and comment on the video. Let's get into this oven baked macaroni and cheese video. Alright crew, so I'm sure everybody knows how to boil noodles. But I'm going to start out with 8 cups of water. Water start boiling, you're gonna drop a little over a tablespoon of margarine. We're gonna go in with some salt. Remember, you want to always salt your water good. That way your noodles are not bland. And you pretty much want to wait until your water starts boiling before you add your salt, because if you add your salt before your water starts boiling, it'll take longer to come up to temp to start boiling. Either you want to cook these 6 to 8 minutes until they al dente, or if you want them a little bit more tender, you can go 10 to 12 minutes. We're going to start on our cheese sauce. We're going to make a blonde roux. It's different from making a roux for gumbo. With a blondie, you just put your butter and your flour, and you cook it until the flour taste come out, and you still want it like a blonde color. So we have salted sweet cream butter, and you can use unsalted if you want to. So we're going to use a half a stick, which equals 1/4 cup of butter. Alright, so our butter has pretty much melted. We're going to take 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour. And like I said, you just want to make a blonde roux. You want to stir this for about a minute. Alright, so we're good on that. We're going to go in with some milk. And you want to slowly add your milk. That way you don't have lumps. You want it to look like a paste. Alright, cool. So all together, I added 4 cups of milk, 1/4 cup of butter, and 1/3 cup of flour. And you want to pretty much allow this to kind of thicken up before you start adding your cheese. Quick tip: when y'all trying to bring this up to a boil where they're thicker, please make sure that you're keeping a check on it, because your milk will scorch, it will burn, and it'll stick to the bottom. So give it a stir every minute or so to make sure that it's not sticking. And so I have 1 8-ounce block of mild cheddar cheese. Alright, so we have our cheese. And I'm simply gonna allow this to melt, then I'll bring y'all back. Alright, so the majority of our cheese have melted. We're gonna go in with 2 cups of triple cheddar cheese. And at this point, we're going to turn the heat off, because our cheese sauce is ready. So we're gonna go in with 1 teaspoon of chili powder. And this chili powder only enhances the flavor of the cheese. It gives it like that smoky, nutty taste. A little over half a teaspoon of black pepper. And we're gonna go in with a half a teaspoon of salt. So we have our noodles here. And this recipe can be doubled. And also I went in with another half a teaspoon of salt, for our cheese salt. Mild cheddar. And this is two cups.
Talking to the first light of dawn. Just like that without no warning. It hit me so hard.
I'm gonna go in with like a cup of Kobe Jack cheese.
So sorry, girl, I didn't mean to. I done messed it up again.
Cheese sauce here.
Sorry if I crossed the line. What am I supposed to do right now? Baby, I'm falling for you. What I would do for you to love me too. No, I can't hide it no more. What I would do for you to love me too. Try to tell what you were thinking.
We're gonna top it with some Kobe Jack.
For me. And I know that we've been out drinking. Maybe this ain't for real.
Now I'm gonna put some sharp cheddar on top of it.
I done messed it up again. Yeah, I'm sorry if I crossed the line. What am I supposed to do right now? Baby, I
Alright, so we're gonna put our mac and cheese in the oven at 375 degrees until it comes out bubbly or brown on top. And y'all check out this crunch.
Baby, I'm falling for you. And what I would do for you to love me too.
I'm gonna get a mac and cheese to taste.
Baby, I'm falling for you. What I would do for you to love me too.
Perfect. Super cheesy. Seasoned just right. And it's not overpowering flavor. Alright, cool. So here's a bowl of baked macaroni and cheese. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please thumbs up the video, comment on the video. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell, set post notifications to all. That way you'll be notified when I upload a video. Y'all already know the saying. Pops out. Peace.